Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Nissan Versa's hood. First, sit in the driver's seat. Look underneath the dashboard, to the left of the steering wheel, near the kick panel. You will find a small lever with a hood icon. Pull this lever towards you with a firm motion. You should hear a distinct pop sound as the primary latch releases. Now, exit your vehicle and walk to the front. You will notice the hood is slightly lifted, creating a small gap. Carefully place your fingers into this gap, reaching underneath the center of the hood. You are looking for a secondary safety latch mechanism, which prevents the hood from fully opening accidentally. Once your fingers are under the hood, feel around for a small lever or tab. This is the secondary release. On most Nissan Versa models, you will need to push this lever to the left. As you push the lever, gently lift the hood upwards with your other hand. The hood should now fully unlatch and open. With the hood open, locate the metal prop rod, usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully lift the hood a bit higher and insert the end of the prop rod into the designated slot on the underside of the hood. Make sure the rod is securely seated to prevent the hood from falling unexpectedly while you are working.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.